All right, I'm going to show you how you can take a video and shrink it down, and then you can multitask and go to different applications on your iPhone. First of all, let's open this thing up. I'm not sure what this video is, but I'm just going to go find it. All right, here it is. I'm going to hit play, and it's going to play. Let's give it a second or two. Now it's playing. So now let's say I want to shrink this bad boy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. It's going to give me this box up here. I'm going to click that box. And what it's done is it's shrunk it. So now if I want to move out of this application, I can go back and forth in this application here. I could even hit this, and the video is still there. And I could scroll through this Facebook application. It shrinks it. Now I'm going to pull it to the side. See that little tab right there? Now I can get out of here. And let's say I want to look at my stocks. Okay, now let's say I want to look at the video at the same time. I can. Now let's say I want to go to another app. I can push it out of the way. Pop it up here. Let's say I want to go to Instagram. And I want to look at some Instagrams. But at the same time, I want to watch my video. I can do it. See that? Check it out. Let's say I want to go into my and see what's going on here. So now I'm looking at two videos at the same time. Let's say I want to push this out of the way for right now. Then I can bring it back. Let's say I want to push it this way. I can bring it back. Now I've cut the sound so you don't have to listen to it. But anyway, that's how you do a video. And you can do many things. You can look, if you want to get out of it, you've got to pull it to the side and then push it. And then you can go into another app. And then you can bring it back and look at it. So anyway, that's how you do it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on your iPhone, iOS 14. Peace out.